After completing routine maintenance for your Bobcat 265 or Trailblazer 330, it is important to remember to reset the timer for the items that were serviced, for example, spark plug, oil, air filter, and brushes. Warning: please read and follow all labels and the owner's manual carefully. Never use an engine-driven welder inside a home or garage, even if doors and windows are open. To access the maintenance timers, turn the display on and wait until the screen has loaded. Once the screen is loaded, press the far right button with the menu icon above it. Next, use the dial to highlight the Maintenance tab. Once you are in the Maintenance menu, select any maintenance item to either reset the timer after completing service or to adjust the length of time between service indicators and change the service alert or reminder timing. If you want to change the factory default settings on the maintenance interval or alert, first use the dial and scroll to the specific service item. Then, with your selection highlighted, press the middle button that shows the word Customize. After pressing the Customize button, the total service interval will highlight. To change the service alert or reminder, press the knob in and the alert timer will become highlighted. Turn the knob to adjust the timer. Once a service timer has been reset, it will be recorded in the service log menu. The service log can be accessed by pressing the fourth button from the left. Now that your service timers have been reset or customized, your machine is now ready for use.